Okay, so today we're gonna be riding my dirt bike. So let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, so now I'm putting on my helmet. Okay, just make sure this is good. Okay, so we're about to go ride. It's a little bit wet outside. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pop wheelies, but yeah. So, okay. About to go out. Okay. Just do that. Okay, let's go. Don't mind my messy garage. There's a four-wheeler back there. It used to be mine when I was like 4. But yeah. Got my dirt bike keys. Go ahead and hop on. Good thing about this bike, it has a gas light. And one thing I like about it is it has this. But whenever I turn on the bike, it does that. But that doesn't mean the engine's bad. It's just when it's turning on, it does that for some reason. Okay. Oh, God. Hold up. This is giving me difficulties. Okay. Give me a second. It's taking me a little bit. Okay. There we go. Sorry about that. Whew. Can't afford the GoPro, so I have to tape my phone onto my helmet. Okay. So I'm gonna have to warm it up. It's a little bit wet, but that should be fine. I have to go let my dogs in. Okay. So let's go ahead, bring them in, and then we can go ride. Okay. Layla. Oh, hi, Zoe. Hi, hey, come on. Let's go, come on. Get in the crate. No, Zoe. No. Get in the crate. Good girl. Layla. Come on. Get in the crate. Come on. Good girl. Now we have to go get Boogie. Boogie. Where's he at? Is he over here? No. Boogie. Come on, buddy. Hi, you buddy. Hi, Boogie. All right, come on. Let's go, come on. That's your good boy, Boogie. Get in the crate. In the crate. Good boy, Boogie. That's your good boy. Okay, now we can go ride. Okay. Oh, God. Almost tripped. Okay. Let's, yeah. Don't mind my messy bike. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to warm it up. Okay, I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but it needs to warm up just a little bit. Right now, it's alright, but that's a gas light right there. It's all cool tech. So I'm gonna do a walk around the bike. CRF 125F, okay. Like a Honda, it's kind of faded right there. Some good tires. The engine, the spark plug. Shocks. Good stuff right there. Pro taper bar right here. Got the stock exhaust. I'm gonna put an FMF exhaust on there here soon once I get the money. And alright, we're ready to go. So my kickstand down? Okay. Here we go. Now we're ready. Uh-oh. There. Oh, I need to fix it. Okay, there we go. Right now we're just taking a stroll down my neighborhood. There we go. Want to get some speeding. Honestly, I don't even know if I should try to pop a wheelie, but because this is like not working. I don't know if I can do it. Oh, it's not working, dude. I don't know if it's crooked or not, but I might have to fix it. It may be, might be a little bit crooked, but yeah, I'm gonna go fix it. Check it, okay. Go ahead and fix it, but okay. So I'll go ahead and pause it real quick because I need to fix it. Okay, so now we're back. I'm about to go around my dirt bike. I got it my camera better, so now we can finally ride. Just gotta get all my stuff on and then be ready to go. Sorry about that wait, but yes, we are back. Okay, so now we're gonna get on my dirt bike. We're gonna take a stroll around the neighborhood. Yeah. Alright. We're also gonna try to pop a wheelie. A good one today, because I've been trying to do it ever since I've learned how to pop one. But yeah, all the vibrations and all that. I did not mean to do that. I was going a little bit too fast for my liking to pop wheelies, but it's whatever. But I just like to ride dirt bikes. It just like calms me down. Especially when I go fast, it gives me all that adrenaline. Okay, there we go. Well, I'm just taking a little stroll around my neighborhood. And hey, get some old people on our butt. Ooh, I smell weed. Somebody smoking that weed, bro. Alright, but we might get some old people on my butt. I'm going too fast. Well, maybe. I don't know. But today we're just kind of riding and all that. But yeah, I'm trying to build my dirt bike channel, and I'm gonna change my name. But I'm not trying to post corny edits like I used to when I was younger on this YouTube account. So yeah. Woo! Oh yeah, they're smoking weed. Oh, that stinks, bro. I'm telling you. Bro, I'm not warmed up yet, so just need to try to do as best as I can. All right, let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm not warmed up, bro. I'm not used to. I just need to warm up. But yeah, this is the CRF 110 Honda, the 2019 big wheel. If you're wondering about the bike, and once I get better at wheeling, I will do a tutorial how to wheelie good. And this is from my appearance, like my opinion on how it's better for me, how I did it. And yeah. Woo! Did y'all hear about that guy's crash? Saronster, yeah. Where he had no hands in the bar and then he hit a little hole. He was like, oh my god! I mean, I'm not hating on Saronster, but gang, I can literally do that. Watch. And I'm standing up too. I'm standing up and doing it. And I have no hands. It's just crazy that how he does that. It's just crazy. Hold on, I just need to warm up my wheelies before I can actually get them good. Hold up, let me. I'm not warmed up, dude. Definitely not warmed up. But golly, that might be a Karen right there. She might be following me. We're going fast. I don't know. But no, she's not following me. Okay, so this is like my main neighborhood where I ride around. I went to my uncle's like yesterday, and I rode there. It was pretty fun. Also, once I go back there, I will record and show you all that. Oh, my freaking foot just slipped, bro. It just slipped. Oh my god. That is insane. Oh, I almost crashed on that. Woo. I'm going pretty fast, but I don't know exactly the speed because I don't have a speedometer or anything. I also gotta watch out for cars because this is a very busy neighborhood. I'm trying to pop a wheelie. I don't know if I can do one. Not today, at least. But I've been doing wheelies and I've been trying to do them good, but it's whatever. Oh, that might be a Karen. That actually might be a Karen. I don't know. It looks scary, bro. Oh my god, bro. Dirt bikes are like, fishing dirt bikes is my thing, bro. I'm telling you. Oh, I'm in first gear? I thought I was in fourth. That's why I shifted down that much. Hey! I don't know, but the last video I pretty much posted, it was about Red Dead Redemption. I was on shorts, bro. And they said this old freaking, she was like 36, I don't know. But she said, I don't know what game that is. I don't know what you're talking about. But that is not Red Dead Redemption 2. That is GTA 5. And I was like, first of all, you're like 36. How would you know? And first of all, you gotta go up north to get that. And she was just crashing out. Honestly, I just like riding like so much. Honestly, I want to go out in the streets and ride, but I can't because of my parents. Honestly, dude, I want to go out on the street so bad, but I ain't gonna do it. I'm a scaredy cat. People gonna be like, why do you have your phone on your helmet? Are you recording me? I don't know if you can send it to be recorded. I said, this is for my safety reasons. Plus, I'm posting it on YouTube. I don't know how many views I'm gonna get, but it's whatever. I just wish I had a bigger area to ride, but I can't ride my grass because I've already got a lot of marks in it. So, oh no, that's very bad. My phone. I don't think I need to pop lilies right now because my phone's starting to get a little bit loose. Members, what? Ooh! I just felt a bug go in my freaking cheek. I wish I could like do a good wheelie. Like I can only pop it up for just like a few seconds before it goes down. It's whatever. But for some reason right now, I'm just kind of like shaking. I don't know. Because my sugar might be low, but I don't have diabetes. So, is that what diabetes do? I have no clue. So, let me know in the comments. Ooh, I'm ripping it today. I used to watch anime like Naruto and yeah, what's that smell? Oh my god! That smells horrific, bro. Not horrific, I mean, disgusting. Disgusting. It's like, I don't know what people smell weed for, bro. It's honestly annoying. What do you mean you smoke weed, bro? It smells so bad. Bro, I'm telling you, YouTube, I only post on YouTube. I don't watch YouTube. I may watch it like here and there, only like videos that I watch. But dude, them YouTube shorts, bro, they be like if you hate God. Comment if you hate God. Subscribe if you like God. And I'm like, bro, stop using God for like likes and subscribers, bro. I'm so used to saying followers from TikTok, but I will also be posting on TikTok. My TikTok is just Mav, and just hit me up on there, bro. And I do have Discord. If you do want to add me on there, I forgot my name, but I have to put it in the comments for you to see it. I just wish that I could go on an actual like motocross track and like straight up rip. Anybody there? Nope. I go. Woo! Man, them e-bike kids, I'm telling you. What the fuck? What did the kids just say? Bro, them e-bike kids, they say, we have the fastest bikes. No, you don't. Like, low-key, I do like two-stroke because it's better in, like, in the woods and all that. For, like, motocross. No, I wouldn't say motocross. Just, like, for the woods. Like, four-stroke, you have instant power, but with the two-strokes, bro, you have to wait for the power bands to kick in and just straight up rip. Like, honestly, I just love riding bikes. Honestly, dude, I can't pop a wheelie in first gear because it just slings me forward, dude. Like, I could probably pop one in second, which I've been doing. But third and fourth, bro, you have to get going for that. Yeah, I don't know. I just need to boom. Like, I can't. I don't know. It may not be strong enough yet, but I've popped it up before past the balance point. I just don't know what's wrong with me today. I haven't been riding my bike here recently, but it's whatever. I need to get that up higher. I don't know, bro, but oh, my phone's at 10% battery. That's bad. I'm gonna have to end the video here soon. Hold on, I might go through their yard. Yeah, I'm gonna go through their yard. I don't know, they might see me. Fuck, I don't care. I mean, they said I could ride through their yard, so I'm gonna go through their yard. Ooh. Oh, I'm riding. I just wish I could get a GoPro so it's more stable. Like, my phone is not that stable because it's getting taped against my helmet. So whenever I move, the camera moves. Same thing with a GoPro. But at least if I put a GoPro right here, it will only move when the bike will move. So I'm trying to get a GoPro, but I'm not going to put it on my bike. I'm probably going to put it on, like, my chin, just like I did with my phone. So it's a lot better quality and pretty sure it's 8K. So I don't know. Not the thing, but like the quality 8K. But yeah. Oof. I need to get me some blacked out goggles so whenever I do post, y'all don't see my eyes, bro. 'Cause I'm telling you, bro, I got them beautiful eyes. I'm just joking, but I am gonna get some goggles. Who the hell is this? I don't know, but I'm saying hi. Alright, she need to wave back like a bitch. I'm just joking. She did wave. I don't know if I don't even know if I caught that, but yeah. Honestly, I wish that I could go and motocross and do all that, because I think I would be good. Because one time, bro, pretty sure I jumped. Yeah, I was at my uncle's house. I hit this little jump. I got some air, bro, and I did a wheelie. It was pretty fun, but wait, I don't even know what my phone's at. I need to check. But dude, honestly, but Trump, I don't know about Trump. I don't know if he's a good president or not, because he was in the Epstein files, the immigration, all that. Yeah, I don't know. But I don't support Trump, in my opinion. Hey, I don't care if you support it. All I care is that you need to subscribe, bro. Come on now. You need and subscribe. I'm trying to get to at least 100 followers. At least 100. But I don't even know. I just want to get to 100 followers. Woo! Before I end the video, I'm gonna try to get you a good wheelie in. And let me know about how to wheelie better in the comments with the tips, alright? So this is pretty sure a 30-minute video, 25, I don't know. But bro, I just want to wheelie good, like them ones on like TikTok and all that. Ah, no, I can do better. Watch this. I'm gonna try as hard as I can. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I could do better. Like, I've done it better before. I just like don't know what's wrong today, but my phone's starting to die, I'm pretty sure. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna fucking wheelie. No, I can do better. Yeah, that was alright. I'm gonna try to do one more. There we go. Let's go. Bro, I finally got one good one. I don't know if I captured it or not, but pretty good. But here soon, I'm gonna be going on vacation, August 9th, bro. It's gonna be crazy. No, not August 9th. August 20th. No, not August 20th. August 15th. Pretty sure we're going for like 5 days. I don't know. But it's just honestly crazy that we're doing that. Like, we're going to, for sure, somewhere in Florida. I don't know. Like, I want to do a ride out so bad with people, but an adult, like my brother, like, he would have to be 18 or 16 or something to do that. Once he gets his license, he can, like, trail behind us and do that crap with us or something. Because I want to ride in, like, big groups, so we don't get, like, pulled over or something. Right now, I'm wearing shorts because all my pants are dirty right now. So don't go in the comments and say, oh my God, why is he not wearing pants? He's going to get burned. He's going to flip over and get burned. Don't even, bro. I've never crashed on this bike, so. I know I can do better. I swear, if some kid's out and starts trying to play with me, dude, I'm ending the video and I'm going inside. So, yeah. Dang, I cannot pop one. Alright, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, that was pretty good. That was actually pretty good. What even time is it, dude? What time is it? I have no clue. Because I'm not allowed to be up here past 8 because pretty sure this lady's house right there. Her grandson is special needs, I don't know for sure. And he goes to bed at like 8, so I can't be up here. I'm not going to go around here anymore. Oh, I got a bug in my eye. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I got a bug in my eye. Ow. That hurt. So I'm going to end the video here soon. And yeah. Well. One more wheelie and I'm gonna go inside, guys. I'm gonna try to do one more wheelie, but if I can't, I'm just gonna go inside. I'm gonna try to do one more on the way back, because I can't do one downhill for some reason. Alright, y'all ready? Nah, I can do one, Dude, alright, guys. Well, thanks everyone for watching the video. Thank you. Alright, and I'll see y'all later. Alright, see ya.